In this video, I'll show you how you can earn between $50 and $100 per day with CPA marketing using this automated method. So here we are on my computer and I'm now going to run you through step by step what you need to do. So we're going to be focusing on content locking, specifically on mobile. Now you'll see why in this video, why this is very powerful and why we're only going to be focusing on mobile. Now please watch until the end because this here is a secret website which is really going to help boost commissions in this niche, and I'm going to share all of that with you in this video, so stick along, make sure you watch it until the end and then go and take action. Now the first website we want to come to is a website called OGAds.com. Now OGAds is a content locking network which focuses on mobile traffic, and we're going to take advantage of that in this video. So go ahead and go to sign up in the top right hand corner, and then you can create an account on OGAds. I'm not going to run you through that because it's fairly easy, and just go ahead and sign up for an account on OGAds. Now OGAds have been around for ages and I just want to run you through around the interface and show you how it all works. So if you go to tools here at the top, you've got some incentive tools which we're going to be using. You've got content lockers, file lockers, and then these other two here. We're going to be focusing on the content locker for this video. So go ahead and click on content locker and that will take you to the place where you can create your own content locker. Now what is a content locker? A content locker is essentially a way of locking content which people are trying to access through, in this case, a download of an application. So OGAds focus on mobile content lockers, so we can create a content locker and then for someone to access that content, they're going to have to download an app. When they do that, we're then going to get paid. So if we go ahead and create a new content locker, you can see this in action here. So this is a preview, but essentially we can lock content, and then when people go to that content, they're going to have to download a free application to their phone, and then once they've downloaded it, we're going to get paid every time they do that. Now, we're going to get paid a couple of dollars each time, but the thing is, we're going to work with a lot of numbers here, and a lot of traffic, so we're going to get hundreds of people to download this over and over again. They're going to access content for free just by downloading an app, and we're going to get paid. And I'm going to show you exactly what niche you can do this in, how you can get traffic, and how this all works, all in this quick video. So please do stick around until the end. So we're going to create a basic content locker. Now we're going to enter in a name here. I'll just call it YT for YouTube video, and this isn't going to show on your content locker, so that's fine. We can then scroll down and we're then going to have to enter in a redirect URL. Now we don't have this yet, and I'm going to explain what this is going to be, because we need to lock a piece of content which people want to click on and want to access. You can scroll up here and then customize through advanced, and if you go to mobile specific here, you can change the theme as well. So now leave this window open, and now what we need to do is get our link which we're going to lock, and then figure out our traffic source as well. Now before we get our link, what we want to do is we want to go to a website called Linktree. Now I've just logged into my account on Linktree, and you can see I've got an account already and I've got a link here. But essentially Linktree allows you to create a landing page. So if we zoom into my phone, you can see that we can create a landing page which is clickable, which people can click on. It will then redirect them to any link. Now make sure you follow in along here. Now here is the Linktree website, the only link you'll ever need. You can go ahead and get started for free and sign up completely for free and use this. And again, we can add different links. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a link here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new link. I've just created my link, and then I can add a title and a URL. What we're going to do, we're going to lock a specific piece of content with our content locker, and we're then going to add that link to our Linktree page so it's easy to click on and it doesn't look spammy. Now the niche we're going to be working in is going to be the fitness motivation niche. This niche works well with our traffic source, which I'll explain in a minute. It's really visual, and we're going to lock a workout program for people who are in this niche. So here I've got 3 Instagram pages which we're going to emulate to do this method. Now these Instagram pages post gym transformation pictures and different gym memes and things like that. So here you've got one with 1.4 million followers, you've got another one with 102,000 followers, and what they do is they post transformation pictures. Now I'm going to show you how you can find transformation pictures, how you can upload them to Instagram, how you can get traffic, and then send that traffic to a workout program which we're going to lock with OGAds. So going back to OGAds and going back to our content locker, we need a piece of content to lock, which is going to be related to our Instagram page that we create in the fitness niche. Now I've got a perfect solution to that, and we're going to lock this program here. This is a program called strongfaster.com, and it essentially builds a workout plan for people who are interested in working out. So if we go to Workout Builder, it then shows us a workout builder and generator, which our audience can use. So they can enter in their stats here and get a customized workout program for them. So we're going to go ahead and copy this link, and this will be the link that we lock with our content locker. So go ahead and scroll down and then paste in that link in the redirect URL. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and create that locker, and we've now successfully created that, and it's called YouTube. Now we go to Actions, and we can go ahead and view details, and we just want to go ahead and copy that. So now we need to get our link, and to get a link, we just have this link here. So we can just go ahead and go to that and make sure it's working. So here is the content locker, and obviously we're viewing it on desktop. On mobile, it will be a lot different, and all they would have to do is simply download an app. So we're going to copy this link here from our content locker. We're then going to go to our link tree, and once we've created our account and called it gym motivation or gym workout motivation, something in the gym niche. Mine is online cash money because I made an example video before in a different niche. Then we can go ahead and paste in our URL, but when we do so, it's going to recognize that it's an unsafe URL. To get around that, we want to go to bit.ly, which is a URL shortener. We can then scroll down, paste in our link, click shorten, and then go ahead and copy this shortened link. Then we can head back to Linktree and simply try that again. And there you go, you've now got your link. And now you can give it a title. So give it something like Custom Workout Plan to Build Muscle Fast. And you can see it should appear in the preview window. So we can just click on our link here at the top right, and that should load up what it's going to look like. Obviously, it will look better on mobile. When we then click on this link, or other people click on it, it's then going to redirect us to the content locker, which is here, and they're going to then have to download a free app. Once they've done that, they'll then get their custom workout program, which will take them to this page here. So now we've got everything set up, we need to copy our Linktree link, and we can go ahead and head over to Instagram and start to send traffic, free targeted traffic, to this system. To do that, we're going to go to Instagram, and we're going to create an account in the gym motivation and transformation niche. Now go ahead and create an account. Now I'm going to use my account as an example, but my account is obviously in a different niche. It's just my test account which I use. You would change the username to something like workout motivation, and then set up the bio, and make sure you just have a couple of lines in your bio like these accounts here. Make sure you add emojis. I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video because it's fairly easy. You can do that on phone or the computer. What is hard though is finding content, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to find content. So what I would do is I would upload gym transformation pictures. Now to do that, you want to go to Google and type in gym transformation, and here you'll be given loads of transformation pictures which are going to be perfect for Instagram. All you need to do is simply go ahead and credit whosever photos these are. So you can go ahead and click on these, then right click and then save image as, and you can start to upload these to your Instagram page, which is in the fitness niche. Now once you've done that, you'll start to get a following and build up some traction of people who are interested in gym motivational posts. Now from there on, you need to go and add your link, which is going to be your Linktree link, to your Instagram bio. Now to do that, go to your Instagram profile, go to edit profile, and then go ahead and put it in the website here, then click submit. Now we've done that, we're going to go back to my profile, and you can see our link is here. Now again, you would change all of the bio, and you would add emojis and relevant text, and you would also by then have a good selection of photos of transformation pictures. When people then click on this link, it's going to take them to your landing page which you've created, and you're going to offer them a custom workout plan to build muscle fast. When they click on that, it will redirect them to OGAds, and they will see this window here, content locked. Unlocking the page will redirect to your custom workout. They will then download an app, and they will then be sent to the custom workout page, and you will then earn a couple of dollars every time someone downloads an app. I'm just on offers here, and you can see there's different app installs, and you can see some of them pay 97 cents, $2.50, and it just depends where your traffic's coming from and what app they choose to download. But you can see if you're getting hundreds of payouts or hundreds of downloads every day, it's quite lucrative and you can make quite a lot of money doing this. This has just been an idea. Go ahead and try it. Please do leave a like if it helps, and make sure you subscribe for more Make Money Online videos.